There are several manuals that everyone needs that's doing resistance welding that they need to have in their library as reference books. We have a couple of them that we're going to talk about a little bit and show you here. We're going to first look at the AWS C1.1. It's the Recommended Practices for Resistance Welding Manual. You can pick that up from us at TJ Snow here or from AWS. Inside the manual, you're going to see that they cover resistance spot welding, seam welding, projection welding, flash welding, upset welding, weld bonding. We're going to take a look at monitoring and maintenance equipment and also safety and health. Our next manual we're going to look at is AWS C1.4. It's specification for resistance welding of carbon and low alloy steels. It covers just the general requirements, some terms and definitions, general overview, the welding equipment requirements, pre-production requirements, and production requirements for the carbon and low alloy steels. We're going to take a look at another resistance welding manual. This is produced by the RWMA, Resistance Welders Manufacturers Association. It's considered the Bible of resistance welding, everything you wanted to know about resistance welding but was afraid to ask. It's the revised 4th edition. There's a new version that's underway now of getting rewritten, but it's a good piece for your knowledge library that covers all the different types of resistance welding. In addition to the other manuals we've talked about, another good manual to have is a book called Resistance Welding. It was written by Stanley back in the 1950s. The reason I like this manual is that it talks about resistance welding from a very easy to understand viewpoint. It's not up to date as much as the RWMA manual, but it does have the basic resistance welding, and like I say, in really easy to understand terms. There's a couple other manuals that would really be good to have in your library, and there's 2 of them that was written by Bob Szabo. The Resistance Welding Safety for Operators. In today's safety world, it's a very handy manual to just look through to get some ideas on how to provide safety for your resistance welding operation. Another book that Bob Szabo has written is Resistance Welding Schedule Development. These are 2 very good books that will help you with your resistance welding needs. Also make sure that you do have some manuals of the various electrodes. 2 common ones are the CMW catalog and also the Tufalloy. There's several different manufacturers that each have their own catalog, but make sure that you have those available where you can look through to just give you ideas about different electrodes and different configurations that may help you with the welding that you are doing. If you have any other questions or need any other information about any of these manuals, please call us here at TJ Snow and we will be able to best advise you on what manuals that you may need.